Welcome back. The first consignment of 71,500 metric tons of iron ore left from MPT port on Thursday morning. This is the first consignment after 18 months of mining ban in Goa. Singapore-based Bagadia Brothers has exported this ore to China. Sources informed us that the consignment was delayed due to some technical problem. Next consignment is expected to be shipped on 5th April.
Finally, the first ore consignment is off the Goa port. 71,500 metric tons of iron ore left from MPT port on Thursday morning. The consignment was supposed to leave in wee hours on Thursday. However, it left the show at around 11 in the morning. Sources say it was delayed due to technical reasons. The loading was on till late night on Wednesday. This consignment belongs to the Singapore-based Bagadia Brothers. The company is one amongst the successful bidders who purchased the ore during the e-auction of Goan ore, as authorized by the Supreme Court. With the NOC, the ore was loaded on Jindal Varad, a bulk carrier at Mormugao port. The carrier has left for China. This is the first iron ore export from Goa since September 2012, after the ban on mining activity in the state. The ban followed Supreme Court's order on October 5, 2012. Sources from Mines Department informed that the next assignment is slated to be shipped on April 5th. The state government has e-auctioned nearly 1.60 million metric tons of ore so far. Dishan Parab for Prudent.
BJP wants Congress candidate Ravi Naik's stand on Mopa Airport. MLA Pramod Sawant has challenged bigwigs of Congress party from not to come out clear on Mopa, or else Reginald's stand on Daboli would be considered as party's final view. While claiming that Vishnu Wagh will join BJP campaign after 5th April, Sawant said that Taligaon and Sattari will require more intense campaign.
BJP MLA Pramod Sawant feels that communal factor is outdated and it will not affect BJP during poll anymore. Narendra Sawaikar skipped the Daboli supporters meeting on Wednesday evening at Margao. Sawaikar has faced criticism and question marks for his absence. On this backdrop, Pramod Sawant has challenged North Goa Congress leaders, including Ravi Naik, to come out clear on Mopa Airport.
तसो लोकांचेर बिलकुल परिणाम जायना. प्रत्येक इलेक्शनाक तोच इश्यू आसता की प्रत्येक इलेक्शनाक तेच उलयता, पण फाटल्या इलेक्शनाक आमी पळयता की सगळ्याक तशे भाजपाचे 6 क्रिश्चन आमदार निवडून दिल्ले आसा लोक. त्या खातीर तशाच पद्दतीचो स्टँड जो आसा तो उत्तर गोंयचे उमेदवार बाब रवी नाईक हांणी क्लियर करचो. गोंय एलेक्साचो स्टँड जो होच काँग्रेसीचो स्टँड काय कितें. ही मोपा हो आमचो फ्युचरिस्टीक प्रोजेक्ट म्हणून सांगता.
Pramod Sawant claimed that Sant Andre BJP MLA Vishnu Wagh will soon join the BJP campaign. He also said that party needs more intense campaign across Sattari and Taligaon.
ना परिणाम जावतना विष्णू शेवटच्या दिसांनी प्रचाराक जाता तो पांय सारको जाल्या उपरांत शेवटच्या दिसांनी प्रचाराक मतदारसंघात अवेलेबल आसतलो. गॅरंटी आसा म्हणजे प्रचाराक येतलो आमकां सांगतालो तेणे. हय प्रचाराक येतलो. सत्तरींतल्या दोनी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन चडसो आमकां चड जोर दिवचो पडटलो आनी आमी तिसवाडींतल्या तालिगांव हांगासर आमकां चड जोर दिवचो पडटलो.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent.
The High Court has slammed Goa police for failing to trace alleged terrorist Tariq Ahmed Batlu. High Court has adjourned the hearing sine die on the state's appeal against Batlu. But the High Court has observed that Goa police has to file action taken report on regular intervals. Tariq Ahmed Batlu was arrested in March 2006 from Madgaon railway station with explosives, but later he was acquitted by the trial court. Goa police has filed a petition before the High Court challenging his acquittal.
During the hearing, High Court asked the public prosecutor about the latest development in the matter of alleged terrorist Tariq Ahmed Batlu. Public prosecutor stated that they have not found any clue of whereabouts of Batlu. Public prosecutor also mentioned that hearing on this matter has been adjourned sine die. High Court has observed that though the matter has been placed sine die, Goa police has to file action taken report on regular intervals. Otherwise, police may not initiate any action. The court has directed the prosecution to file status report after the summer vacation. Goa police during previous hearing had requested the High Court not to dispose of the petition against Batlu, apprehending that fugitive terrorist Batlu may attack Goa if he is ignored. Batlu was arrested in March 2006 from Margao railway station with RDX powder, detonator and a hand grenade. He was charged for carrying explosive substances for terrorism. But Goa police failed to prove charges in the trial court. In July 2008, trial court acquitted Batlu from all the charges and he was released from the jail after that. In 2009, Goa police challenged the trial court's order in the High Court, but Batlu is untraceable since his release. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.